proactive English practice.
Excuse me. Can you help me? It's urgent.
Of course. What's wrong?
My phone is almost dead.
Oh no. Do you need to make a call?
Yes, an important call. And I need an address.
Do you have a charger?
Yes, right here. Is there an outlet?
There's one by the window table.
Can I charge it for a few minutes?
Of course. Take your time.
Thank you so much.
Would you like a coffee while you wait?
Yes, please. A small one.
Coming right up.
The phone is turning on again.
Great! Now you can make your call.
You really saved me. Thank you.
No problem. Happy to help.
I'll get that coffee now. And a tip for you.
That's very kind. Enjoy your call.
Excuse me. The vending machine is broken.
Oh? What happened?
It took my money, but no water came out.
I'm sorry. How much did you pay?
$2 for a bottle of water.
Which machine? The one by the library?
Yes, that one, number 3.
I see. That machine has problems sometimes.
Can I get my money back?
Yes, I can give you a refund.
Thank you. Do I need a form?
Just tell me your name for our records.
It's Anna Lopez.
Thank you, Anna. Here are your $2.
Great. And I'm still thirsty.
Try the machine near the office. It works.
Good idea. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. I'll report the broken one.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Good evening. Sorry, I'm very late.
No problem, sir. Welcome.
I have a booking. It's after midnight.
That's fine. What's your surname?
Roberts. Roberts.
Let me check. One moment.
Here's my booking confirmation.
Thank you. Yes, I see it. 1 room, 2 nights.
That's right. I'm so tired.
I understand. It was a long trip?
Very long. The flight was delayed.
I'm sorry to hear that. Here's your key.
Thank you. Which room?
Room 402, 4th floor.
Where's the elevator?
Just around the corner, on the left.
Is breakfast still available in the morning?
Yes, 7 to 10. Sleep well.
Thank you. Good night.
Good night, sir. Rest well.
Hi, sorry to bother you so late.
Oh, hello. Is something wrong?
Your TV is a little loud.
Really? I'm so sorry.
The wall is thin. I can hear everything.
Oh no, I didn't know.
It's late and I need to sleep.
Of course, I'll turn it down now.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
I'm watching a movie. I lost track of time.
It happens, no worries.
Is this better? Quieter?
Yes, much better. Thank you.
I'll use headphones next time.
That's very kind of you.
Sorry again for the noise.
It's okay. Thank you for understanding.
Good night. Sleep well.
Good night. Thank you again.
Hi, I have a strong headache.
I'm sorry. How long have you had it?
Since this morning, it's really bad.
Do you have any other symptoms?
No, just the headache.
This pain relief medicine works well.
Do I need a prescription?
No, it's over the counter.
How often do I take it?
1 tablet every 6 hours.
With food or without?
With food is better for your stomach.
How many can I take in one day?
Follow the directions on the box.
Okay, and if it doesn't help?
If it gets worse, see a doctor.
Got it. How much is it?
$7.
Okay, I'll take it. Thank you.
Drink water and rest too.
I will. Thank you for the advice.
Feel better soon.
Good afternoon, Bella Restaurant.
Hi, I'd like to book a table.
Of course. For how many people?
4 people. It's a birthday.
How nice. What day?
Saturday evening, around 7?
Let me check. Saturday is very busy.
Oh, is there any table free?
7 o'clock is full. Sorry.
What times are available?
We have 6 o'clock or 8:30.
8:30 is a bit late.
6 o'clock is a lovely time for dinner.
Okay, let's do 6 o'clock.
Great! A table for 4. Your name?
It's David Green.
Thank you, Mr. Green. It's a birthday, yes?
Yes. Can we have a small cake?
Of course. We'll prepare something special.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
See you Saturday at 6. Good evening. A table for 2?
Yes, please, but can I ask something?
Of course.
Can we sit away from the air conditioner?
Is it too cold for you?
Yes, that table is right under it.
No problem. Let me find another spot.
Thank you. We feel cold easily.
How about this table? By the window.
Is it warmer there?
Yes. No air conditioner above it.
That's perfect. Thank you.
Would you like anything else?
This is great. Nice and warm.
Wonderful. Here are your menus.
Thank you so much.
Your waiter will be here soon.
Great. We appreciate your help.
My pleasure. Enjoy your dinner.
Excuse me. Can we have the bill, please?
Of course. One moment.
Can we split the bill?
Sure. For how many people?
2 people. Separate, please.
No problem. Do you know who had what?
Actually, can you just split it in half?
Of course. Half and half.
And can we pay with separate cards?
Yes, 2 cards. No problem.
Great. How much is each half?
$14 each.
Perfect. Here's my card.
Thank you. And the second card?
Here's my friend's card.
Thank you both. One moment.
Take your time.
Here are your 2 receipts.
Thank you. That was easy.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Hi, I want to join the gym.
Great. Let me explain our plans.
How much is a monthly plan?
$40 a month. Unlimited visits.
And a day pass?
A day pass is $8.
I might come 3 times a week.
Then, the monthly plan is cheaper.
You're right. When is the gym busy?
Mornings and evenings are busy.
And the quiet times?
Afternoons are very quiet.
Good. Do you have group classes?
Yes, yoga, spinning, and boxing.
Are the classes free?
Yes, with the monthly plan.
That's a good deal. I'll take the monthly plan.
Great choice. Let me get a form.
Thank you. Can I start today?
Absolutely. Welcome to the gym.
Hi, it's my first time here.
Welcome. I can show you how it works.
Thank you. Do I need coins?
We use tokens. You buy them here.
How much is one wash?
3 tokens, $3.
Okay, how do I start the machine?
Put your clothes in, add the soap.
Where does the soap go?
In the small drawer on top.
Then what?
Put the tokens in, press Start.
How long does a wash take?
About 30 minutes.
And the dryer?
The dryer is 2 tokens, 40 minutes.
Great, thank you for explaining.
You're welcome. Ask me anytime.
I will. Thank you so much. Hi, can I try these on?
Of course. The fitting rooms are that way.
How many items can I take in?
Up to 5 items at a time.
I have 3. Is that okay?
That's fine. Follow me.
Where are the fitting rooms?
In the back on the right.
Thank you. Is there a mirror inside?
Yes, in each room. And one out here, too.
Great. This shirt might be too small.
Do you need a bigger size?
Maybe. Can you check for a large?
Of course. I'll bring one.
Thank you so much.
Here's the large. Try it on.
This one fits perfectly.
It looks great on you.
I'll take it. Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. I'll meet you at the counter.
Hi, I'd like a haircut, please.
Sure, have a seat. What style?
Shorter on the sides, please.
Okay, how short on the sides?
Quite short, but not shaved.
Got it. And the top?
Not too short on top.
So leave some length on top?
Yes, just a little trim.
A neat, clean style?
Exactly. Neat and simple.
No problem. Let's begin.
Can you keep the front a bit longer?
Sure, a little longer at the front.
Perfect. That's what I want.
Almost done. Take a look.
Oh, that's great.
Short sides, neat top. Happy?
Very happy. Thank you.
My pleasure. Looks sharp.
Hey, can I ask you a favor?
Sure, what's up?
My laptop battery is really low.
Oh no, how low?
10%. And I have work before class.
Do you need a charger?
Yes. Do you have one?
I do. Is your laptop the same brand as mine?
Yes, the same one. Lucky me.
Perfect. The charger will fit.
Can I borrow it for a couple of hours?
Sure. When do you need it back?
I'll return it after my class. Around 3.
That works. I don't need it until 4.
You're a lifesaver. Thank you.
No problem. Just don't lose it.
I won't. I promise.
Here you go. There's an outlet by the window.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Anytime. Good luck with your work.